Hey guys, this is MTP Tech, and today we're unboxing the Turtle Beach Stealth 700, the second generation headphones. These are designed for Xbox version. As we see in the box, it's quite a big headphones with quite a big cushion for your ears. Should be very comfortable, as they advertised. 20-hour battery life, superhuman hearing. Well, that's all the name. It just means that you can hear the sound outside. Glasses friendly, so there's a cutout inside a cushion, so the glasses can be there. It's also Bluetooth, so you can connect easily. Some additional information for the other languages. Hear everything, defeat everyone. Designed for Xbox Series X, Xbox One, and Series S. We have Gen 2 flip to mute mic, durable and comfortable, easy access audio controls, volume, mixer, on, super human noise, turn off, on, and of course Windows Sonic. So let's try to open the package. Let's try to open up from the side. Okay. That wasn't too successful. Okay. And we're gonna open up like this. And voila. The package is awesome. The presentation is also too. Look at this. Here's the beautiful, now that's a memory phone. I would like to put it on my ears. Okay, let's put them to the side. Damn, these, look at that inside. See, wow, super stiff. Should be playing so good. Okay, let's put them to the side for the moment. What do we have more? We have just single charging cable, USB-C though. You can put it in every charger in your home, of course, if you use Android. Then we have literature. Let's try it out, what's there. Okay, attention, 24/7 support, Turtle Beach sticker. It's kind of cool though. And quick starting guide. We're gonna read that later. Let's put that back. Here. Okay. Now let's take a look. Is there anything there? No, just a moisture-free desiccant. I don't know what's that, but it's all in these packages. It's always in these packages. Okay, move that to the side, and let's take a look at the headphones themselves. Okay, as you see, the quality everywhere is super good. Although this is aluminum and plastic memory phone. This is memory phone, plastic too, but it feels like sturdy, good quality plastic. The rotation, volume controllers feel a bit too plasticky for me. Mode on, Bluetooth. They recharge it, and then some button. Here's the microphone. Oh, it looks kind of cool. Looks kind of simple. Now, is it moving? Oh yeah, it could fit for all head sizes, smaller, bigger. Nice, I like them. I like that they move. They should be comfortable. Anything else? Oh, okay, then they can do this. Can you do this? Nice. Nice one. Okay, that's been it. If you have any questions about these headphones, as always, write in the comments and I'll try to answer them all. That was MDB Tech. Thank you for watching. Bye.